In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a logo in Zoho Creator. Whether you're looking to customize your app for better brand alignment or just want a more personalized touch, adding a logo is a great place to start. Let's dive in. First, ensure you're logged into Zoho Creator and find yourself on the home page. As you navigate through the dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the array of options available. You'll notice tabs like Application, Microservices, Environments, and more. Today, however, our focus will be on customizing your application's appearance. Start by heading over to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll find a list that includes Applications, Microservices, and a few other sections. Carefully select the Application tab. This is where you'll see all the applications you've created or have access to. Choose the application you want to work on by clicking on its name. This action will take you to the application's main settings and development area. Once inside your application, look towards the top right corner for a gear icon or settings menu. This is where you can access options to modify your app's features and look. Click on it to open the settings menu. Within the settings menu, you'll find an option called Customize. Selecting this will lead you to a new page with several customization choices. On this customization page, keep an eye out for a section that refers to themes or branding. Here, you'll find the option to add a logo. You might see a placeholder image or an upload button, which is often labeled as Upload Logo or something similar. Clicking this will open a File Explorer window. Now is the time to choose the logo file you want from your computer. Ideally, your logo should be in a format like PNG or JPEG, and sized appropriately for web display standards. Upload the file by selecting it and clicking the Open or Upload button in your Explorer window. Next, wait for Zoho Creator to upload and display a preview of your chosen logo. This is your chance to ensure it looks just right within the application's layout. Sometimes you might need to make adjustments, such as resizing the image or choosing a different file if the current one doesn't fit well. Once you're satisfied with how the logo looks, remember to save your changes. This could be through a Save button at the bottom of the page or an indication that your changes are automatically saved. Now, refresh your app or preview it to see your newly added logo in action. And there you have it. That's how you add a logo to your application in Zoho Creator. This small but impactful customization can make a significant difference in how users perceive your app by aligning it with your brand's identity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Zoho Creator tips and tutorials.